What if human history doesn't begin where we think it does? What if everything we've been taught about the origins of civilization is only part of the story? Because recorded history only goes back a few thousand years. But humans have existed for much longer, tens of thousands of years, and possibly far longer than we realize. So what happened during that time? What did early humans know? What did they build? And why is so much of it missing? Today we explore evidence that humans may have existed long before recorded history, in ways we don't fully understand. Welcome to Forgotten Earth. 1. The limits of recorded history. When we think of history, we think of written records. Ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, early civilizations. But writing only appeared around 5,000 years ago. Everything before that is considered prehistory, which means something important. Most of human existence was never written down. No records, no detailed accounts, only fragments, archaeology, artifacts, and clues. So what if entire chapters of human history existed and were never recorded? 2. Göbekli Tepe, a civilization before civilization. Göbekli Tepe changes everything. Dating back over 11,000 years, it predates known civilization. Massive stone pillars, detailed carvings, complex construction. This site suggests organized effort, planning, skill. But according to traditional history, people at that time were hunter-gatherers. So how did they build something like this? And what else might have existed during that time? 3. Ancient cave art, more advanced than expected. Cave paintings have been found all over the world. Some are over 40,000 years old. They show animals, scenes of life, symbols. But some of these artworks are incredibly detailed, sophisticated, even artistic. This suggests that early humans were not primitive. They had creativity, understanding, possibly even symbolic communication. But what else did they know? 4. Lost coastal settlements. During the last ice age, sea levels were much lower. Large areas of land that are now underwater were once inhabited. As the ice melted, these regions were flooded. If early humans built settlements along these coasts, they would now be gone, hidden beneath the ocean, which means something important. Some of the oldest human history may be completely inaccessible. 5. Stone tools or something more. Stone tools are often seen as simple, primitive, but some tools show surprising complexity, precision shaping, specific designs for different purposes. Over time, tools became more advanced, but the transition isn't always clear. In some cases, it seems like knowledge appeared suddenly, which raises a question. Was it gradual, or was knowledge passed down? 6. Ancient footprints and human presence in some parts of the world. Ancient footprints have been discovered, preserved in stone, dating back tens of thousands of years. These footprints show something simple, powerful. Humans were there, walking, living, exploring, but we know very little about their lives, where they came from, what they built, and what may have been lost. 7. Genetic clues. Modern science has revealed something fascinating. Human DNA contains traces of ancient populations, groups that no longer exist, interconnections between different human species. This suggests a complex history, one that includes migration, interaction, and possibly lost groups of humans, entire populations that disappeared, without clear records. 8. Sudden cultural leaps. At certain points in history, human development seems to accelerate. Art, tools, structures, knowledge, appearing relatively quickly. These moments raise questions. Why did progress suddenly increase? Was it environmental, social, or something else? Could it be that knowledge was rediscovered rather than invented? 9. The missing pieces of human history. When we look at the past, we are only seeing fragments, pieces of a much larger puzzle. Erosion, time, natural disasters, all erase evidence. What remains is incomplete, and that means something important. There may be far more to human history than we currently understand. Human history is not a straight line. It is complex, fragmented, and full of unknowns. We know that humans existed long before recorded history, but we don't know everything about how they lived, what they knew, or what they may have achieved. Because the past is not fully preserved, it is hidden, scattered, waiting to be uncovered. And perhaps the most important question is this: how much of our story is still missing? If you enjoy exploring ancient mysteries, lost history, and hidden truths, subscribe to Forgotten Earth. Because the story of humanity may be far older and far more mysterious than we think.